GALT stock analysis and GALT stock prediction. What I'll be doing here is just showing you my exact play for the next week and onward. And Galectin Therapeutics, whatever. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 42,000 videos. It's taken me 5 years, but you know, at least I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. And I appreciate a pump before, and then we kind of dumped quite hard. But yeah, I mean, going into here, man, like, unless I see this some sort of a double break, I'm not going to be buying. So how all this is going to look like is very simple. If there is no double break, then I'm not buying. Very simple. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. GLT, and nothing special, so I'll continue, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.